Hi everybody, welcome back. Today I am doing something I've not done before, pouring on a blank pumpkin I got from Michael's, on sale of course. This is the medium sized one, normally $20. It was on sale and I got it for $15. It's all plastic. I'm gonna use my leftover paints from the flat pumpkins I did and see how it goes. This will be different. I'm gonna try to shoot it from the top and the side, so we'll see. Okay, so I'm going to layer my paints. I'm just gonna use this big cup, so because I want orange to kind of dominate, so I'm just gonna fill this up with the rest of my paints. My yellow, my red oxide, my parchment, my yellow ochre, my weird combo peachy color, my brown burnt sienna, correction, burnt umber, red, no, what is this, gold, old gold. I'm gonna try to have the paint drip off down here on my mat, and then maybe I will do a dip with my another wooden pumpkin. Do a dip so I'm not wasting the paint, but we will see. This is the first time. First, I'm going to just pour the paints together. I didn't even stir them, so they should be no bubbers. That was the cadmium yellow. Here is old gold. You always are left with a little bit in your cups. Hard to get the rest out. Oop, this one's thin. I think I watered that one down too much. Yellow ochre and parchment. My brown. Yeah, let's do that, because this cup is very full. So the hard part is holding the pumpkin and tilting it. So I think I'm just gonna just pour on around the stem and then see where it falls, and then I'm gonna have to pick it up and tilt it. I'm hoping I can just lift it like this and kind of hold it and let the paint, because the hard part is getting it around the pumpkin, right? And then where will I sit it? The bottom's gonna be a mess, but theoretically no one cares what the bottom looks like, or I can kind of paint it later. And then it's just gonna have to sit either maybe balanced on this little cup. I'm afraid that's gonna fall off. Maybe it'll work, or I'll just set it on a plastic surface over here. So here goes nothing. I tell myself these are cheap. Not that cheap. I can buy another one if I don't like how it turns out. Oh yeah, this is a lot of paint. Looks like candy apple. Okay. I'm gonna need to get more over here. These ridges. Okay, I'm glad I didn't waste all that. I think I'm gonna need to do like this. Maybe. That looks dumb with it just being yellow, orange. orange. So let's see if I can get any more of this out of here. Maybe that's the back. Okay. How's this look? Looks like I think it does look like a candied apple. Over here, there's some white spots. Let's see if I can cover those up. What should I use on them? I don't want to set it down and mess up the bottom. I need an assistant. White spot. Okay, checking for spots I missed. There's one. What colors? I mean, I did want mostly orange, so that's good. I set it over here, can you see it? I'm gonna cover this brown, make it a little more orangey. Hopefully I don't hate that. It's too orange, so we'll do some of that. And I need a scraper. Use up the paints. This. I didn't want more brown. Don't do brown. There's a lot of paint on there now. Oof. That's like my own spinner. All right. I might just let it be now.